Hey, what's up, crypto people? I am back with another one for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Redstone, and this is a fairly new cryptocurrency making waves in the crypto space right now. And I'm going to explain and break it down in simple terms the utility of this token and why it's important in today's world. Before we get into the project itself, let's get into some of the stats. Currently, Redstone is sitting at 81 cents according to CoinMarketCap. The fully diluted market cap is sitting at $820 million, while the circulating supply is sitting at 280 million tokens. And you could already find this token on a wide variety of exchanges, including Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, BitGet, Mexi, and Uniswap. Alright, so let's get into the project itself. And to help you guys understand the project a whole lot better, let's define some terms first. First off, what's a blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger or a digital chain of blocks where each block records a transaction. It's basically a data for any transaction that happens on that network. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it, making it secure and transparent, right? That means anyone in the world could view that same ledger and no one can alter it or make changes or hide it from anybody else, making it super transparent. All right, next, we're going to need to define what a smart contract is, right? And a smart contract, think of it as like a self-executing contract with terms directly written into the code. It automatically enforces and executes agreements when certain conditions are met. Without the need of intermediaries, right? So like normally when you sign a contract between two people, you have them sign and you have like a lawyer or somebody present to make sure both parties sign and it's legit. In this in smart contracts, this kind of happens automatically when certain conditions are met. Let's say somebody buys a certain transfers a certain amount of money or buys something or whatever. A smart contract can be executed upon completion of a task. In layman's terms, it basically simplifies money transfer agreements, making them happen instantaneously rather than having somebody do it for them. But here's the challenge. Blockchains are like isolated islands. They don't have any direct access to real-world data, which is crucial for many applications. This is where oracles come in. An oracle acts as a bridge, allowing blockchains to access external data like market prices or weather information, enabling smart contracts to interact with the real world. Alright, so this is where Redstone comes in. Redstone is a next-generation Oracle network designed to provide fast, reliable, and cost-effective data feeds to decentralized applications, or dApps, across multiple blockchains. Redstone's journey began in late 2017 when co-founder and CEO Marcin Komzierczak was writing his bachelor's thesis on blockchain, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. In 2018, he worked at a blockchain accelerator in Poland, which unfortunately collapsed, leaving him without a salary for 3 months. In 2020, Marcin's friend Jakub Wojciechowski approached him with an idea for a new type of oracle, inviting him to join the team to disrupt the oracle space. Marcin accepted, co-founding Redstone, and officially founded in 2021, Redstone set out to enhance blockchain efficiency by offering innovative data solutions. The product launched in January 2023, and today, their clients include some of the biggest names in the crypto space, such as Pendle, Morpho, EtherFi, Athena, Renzo, Venus, Frax, and many more. Redstone's modular design allows it to operate seamlessly across over 70 blockchains, supporting over 130 decentralized finance projects. This flexibility ensures that decentralized applications receive the accurate data they need exactly when they need it. Alright, so let's talk about the red token. Okay, so the red token is the fuel powering the Redstone ecosystem. And this is how it works. There's staking, where red holders can stake their tokens to support the network's security and data integrity. In return, they earn rewards, creating an incentive for active participation. There's also governance, where by holding the token, it grants you a voice in the project's future. Token holders can propose and vote on upgrades, new features, and other important decisions, ensuring the community drives Redstone's evolution. So in the end, why does this matter? Redstone's reliable data feeds enable DeFi platforms to offer services like lending, borrowing, and trading with greater accuracy and security. This enhances users' trust and promotes the growth of decentralized finance. With its innovative approach, Redstone is poised to become a key player in the DeFi space, contributing to a more interconnected and efficient blockchain ecosystem. And here's another little thing that kind of intrigued me. Recently, Redstone had partnered up with Securitize, which is a leader in real-world asset tokenization. They're basically trying to tokenize real-world assets and bring them onto the blockchain. But they recently partnered up with Redstone, and Redstone is going to provide or supposed to supply price feeds for Securitize's tokenized products. And this includes notable funds like BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund. And so I thought that was super interesting. I'll look into that a little bit more. But if it's, a project like this is already having big names around it like BlackRock, right? I think it's safe to say that it might have a bright future. Okay, I think that is it. All right. The project itself, I think, is very intriguing. It has a lot of green flags around it, and only time will tell if it'll be successful. I know crypto is going through kind of like a lull right now, where everyone's kind of panicking. But when crypto craze returns, I think this is one of the tokens that'll do very well. And I'll kind of give my last 2 cents here, but I know that there's a lot of tokens in the crypto space right now that are like the flavor of the month, and people get hyped up about them short term and forget about them when they don't perform well long term. And I don't think Redstone is going to be like that. Only time will tell, though. I think the token has great utility, and the use case for the token speaks for itself. If they're able to make more partnerships like they have been with like Securitize, they'll be able to be that network will hold a lot more worth, right? So I think, instead of focusing on the flavor of the month, I think, if you broaden your view, you'll find more success long term in the crypto space, right? Because right now the crypto space is kind of going through a filtering process where it's kind of, it's so saturated that people are kind of turned off by it. And I think over time, it'll filter down to the ones that, really matter. The crypto tokens and the crypto projects that really have utility and use case. Those are the ones that are going to survive long term. And I think people need to start focusing on utility rather than, fun and money. It's not just about money. It's about making a change in the world, right? Changing our financial system, changing the way we interact with money. That was the whole purpose of crypto to begin with, and I think people have gotten away with away from that, but we're slowly returning. And I think Redstone is a step in the right direction. If you guys agree with me, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.